Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Hi. Mwah. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little tutorial for you guys. We're gonna do a little bit of swatching. I'll insert swatches of the stuff that I don't have, but for the most part, I have most of the brand new collection from MAC. It is called Boom Boom Bloom. Such a cute name and such a pretty collection. I mean, can we just like take a look at some of the packaging here? Wow, wow. And very up close, anything that has white on it has a little bit of like iridescence to it. I really like it. This is the final look that I came up with. It's super simple, very out of my kind of comfort zone because I usually go big or go home kind of makeup, but I was kind of inspired by the girl on the front of this marketing here. I really thought that it would be just a beautiful, like this is a beautiful collection for that very fresh, light makeup, and I wanted to emulate that for you guys. So if you want to hear more about the collection and all of the information and swatches, and you want to see the tutorial, then keep on watching. The last thing I want to say before we get into the tutorial and swatches is that this collection launched online on March 4th and launches on March 7th, which is a Thursday, in all MAC stores. So yeah, that's all. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're starting off with some swatches. This is the palette from the collection. It is really pretty, not what I expected it to be, but still super pretty for kind of like that spring fresh eye that you may be looking for this 2019 spring. It's coming, it's around the corner, I can feel it. This is the highlighter that came with the collection. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, it looks so much better on the face, but like just the packaging and everything about it is beautiful. Now we're moving on to the lip colors. This lip color right here was my favorite out of the ones that I got. It's called High Fructise, and then the other one is called, I have it in front of me, sorry, it's called Framboise Noir. Then we move on to the lip glosses. The lightest shade is called For the Frill of It. Then we have Pinkaboo, and then we have the darkest of the three that I personally have, which is called Cherry Mochi, and then we have, of course, the Cherry Blossom Fix Plus, which is so perfect. Just so you know, all the other swatches that I don't have of the additional lip glosses and lipsticks, there's a link to Temptalia in my description, so make sure to check that out if you want to see the other swatches. Now we're moving on to the tutorial. I put on some primers, First Day Beauty primer, and then my Cover FX primer. Foundation, we're using a new one. This is the Wander Beauty foundation, new one to me because I've never really used it before. And also new concealer. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer. Recently came out, and this is actually my first time trying it, and I actually really liked it. Then I'm using the Milk Makeup Translucent Light Powder to set my face. I use a smaller brush to set the areas in my T-zone and underneath my eyes, and then a bigger brush to set everything else. For bronzer, I'm using this Estee Lauder Victoria Beckham collaboration bronzer. We're gonna bronze it up. Tons. And now we're going to use that beautiful they like call it a highlighter, but honestly guys, it's more for me a blush. I just use it as a blush, and then I added some of this Wet n Wild highlighter right on top. By the way, so sorry, everything is out of focus. I think it was my backdrop. Just wanted to take the, you know, front stage and not let anyone else have it. Now for the palette, I'm using the matte shade at the top of the palette, and then I'm going to blend the pink on the lid, and then I'm going to take this dark brown and a angled fluffy brush and just kind of make like a smoky liner. Nothing crazy. I then took the white shimmery shadow, top left corner, and I'm just going to apply that to the highlight areas of my brow bone and my inner corners. We decided not to go with lashes. I really have been doing lots of looks without lashes lately, and I'm so sorry. I just like haven't been feeling lashes lately. I'm like, no, this looks good without lashes. Let's rock the real ones. So I am just curling my lashes, and then I applied some brow gel. I did fill in my brows a little bit with the same
same Nude Sticks pencil right before we started, but I just wanted to add the brow gel. I then put a Mally shimmery white pink eyeliner to the waterline, applied my lash primer from Urban Decay, applied my mascara from Tarte. Ooh, gosh, been catching up this whole video. And then we're moving on to lipsticks. I decided to go with that pink coral color that I really liked, which is called High Fructise. And then the lip gloss is the lightest shade from the collection, which is called For the Frill of It. And then we topped it off with the setting spray. And here, my friends, is the final look. I truly do love the way that this came out. So cute, so fresh, ready for spring. Mother Nature, hello.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. If you pick up any pieces from this brand new collection from MAC, please leave your comments down below. Let me know what your favorite pieces from the collection are. I definitely love, I'm a Fix Plus fan, so thank you for coming out with another cool Fix Plus. I mean, look at this one. It's beautiful. Some of the packaging and products, like the highlighter, is absolutely beautiful. And I love all of the lip colors in this collection. They're just like super pink, corally, perfect for the spring, and this is getting me ready for spring. Daylight savings, where are you? Please come. Thank you. Now we just need some warm weather. That's all I have for today. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen and check out all of my other videos on the side. I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.